Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing a powerful strategy to make over $50,000 in just 1 month with a single dropshipping store. The process is straightforward, yet incredibly effective. First, you need to find a unique, trending product with strong engagement on TikTok. Next, set up your online store around that product and watch the profits roll in. In this video, I'll showcase a real store that uses this strategy to generate over $50,000 a month, proving that it's possible. I'll break down every step to find high-potential products and share tips on leveraging TikTok for free traffic, as this store didn't spend a dime on ads to achieve its success. Let's kick things off with proof that this strategy works. Check out the store jellyfell.com, which generates around $56,000 a month selling a mesmerizing jellyfish lamp. Who would have thought there was a market for this? This is why product analysis is crucial. Sometimes the products we think will succeed don't. The Jellyfell store operates on a dropshipping model, meaning they don't hold inventory, allowing them to focus on sales without the hassle of stock management. Using Zeek Analytics Store Finder, we can see the exact monthly revenue and units sold for this store. This tool helps uncover hidden data, allowing you to find successful one-product stores. I'll show you how to use it to launch your own store with a high chance of success. To get started, click the link in the description to access Zeek Analytics. Navigate to the Store Finder tool and filter for one-product stores with a minimum monthly revenue of $40,000. This will help you replicate successful stores. You can also explore Zeek's Product Explorer to find trending products and stores selling them. Once you identify a high-potential product, source it from a reliable supplier. For example, the jellyfish lamp can be found on AliExpress at a lower price with free shipping. Selling it for $37.99 means a profit of around $18 per sale, leading to significant monthly earnings. Now, let's talk about driving free traffic with TikTok. TikTok is perfect for one-product stores due to its high engagement potential. Create viral videos to attract traffic without spending on ads. You can either compile clips from existing TikTok videos or shoot your own using a smartphone. Aim to post at least 3 times a week to maximize engagement. Finally, to build your one-product store, use Shopify, which offers a 3-day free trial and an affordable $1 per month for the first 3 months. Follow the onboarding questions, and you're ready to start selling. There you have it. The secret to making over $50,000 in a month with minimal upfront costs. While success won't happen overnight, you now have the tools and strategies to make it possible. Your potential is limitless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart marketing strategies.